Taipei Zoo is a warm and harmonious haven, situated between mountains and rivers, providing animals with a natural environmental setting. Taipei Zoo is not only a place to appreciate nature's beauty, but also an educational museum that demonstrates life and a base for wildlife conservation and research.
Now, let's take a look at how Taipei Zoo displays their animals to highlight their unique characteristics.
The Formosan Animal Area displays the animal diversity and richness of Taiwan. In this area, you can admire over 20 endemic birds and mammals of Taiwan, including the Formosan sika deer, some of which were given to Kunding National Park.
The Children's Zoo is full of countryside scenery and demonstrates the habitat diversity of farmland environment. Along with the aquatic plants and common farm animals, this is a great place to create memories with your family.
The mysterious gigantic totem pole at the entrance foretells the characteristics of the Asian tropical rainforest area. From the river's mouth to the deep forest, we can explore and experience the great diversity of the tropical rainforest. Our memorable Asian elephant, Lin Wang, was once a popular resident here.
The large mammals of the desert animal area are the best depiction of an animal's adaptive ability in severe environments such as a desert land.
Australia. This large isolated island has evolved unique animals such as the emu and cassowary, in addition to a variety of kangaroos.
Africa is headquarters to huge wild animals, including many protected endangered species. The growing population of chimpanzees is an indication of our efforts in animal conservation.
In the temperate zone area, you can observe the Przewalski's horse, American bison, and Pierre David's deer, which have already disappeared from the wild. Global conservation and repopulation organizations are helping them to reappear in the wild.
The pleasing sounds you hear come from the birds. Visitors to Bird World can observe and appreciate the most colorful, dressed up, and musically winged creatures here.
Residents of Koala House come from the distant golden shores of Australia, with hopes that the love and care bestowed upon them can be passed on to the other animals as well.
In the Penguin House, visitors can observe the majestic king penguins and black-footed penguins in the freezing cold, who became expert divers in order to survive.
In the Amphibian and Reptile House, we can discover that these cold-blooded creatures are widespread in the world due to their amazing adaptive ability.
Insects are the most easily observed creatures, and the Insectarium uses interactive guides to lead visitors into nature.
Apart from observing different types of animals, do not forget this is a great location to observe natural environments including hills, valleys, and ponds that contain numerous animal ecosystems. A great outdoor classroom to learn about life.
Interactive panels, guided tours, and frequent shuttle trains are convenient tools to enrich your visit to the park.
Taipei Zoo strives to pass on the idea of living harmoniously with nature. Through professionalizing, globalization, and elaboration efforts, all creatures can be respected. Now, let's all hop aboard this animal's ark.